for this crucial step in our lives. So today, catechumens, when you inscribe your name in the book of the elect as a pledge of your fidelity, as shepherd of the Archdiocese of Newark, I will declare you as elect, as chosen, and you begin the final period of purification and enlightenment before you join us in the Easter Sacrament.